We have added a new AI feature to Accessibility Tracker, and we're going to look at it right now. So, we are currently on the analytics page for our accessibility project. On the right side, there's an Ask AI button. I'm going to select that. Here we have four pre prompts that come up, but I'm going to go ahead and enter in a custom prompt, and it's going to be what areas of accessibility should we focus on improving going forward? AI will take a moment, and then here we see the answers start to stream. So, number one, semantic HTML structure. Number two, keyboard accessibility. Number three, link and button clarity, and so on. So, it continues streaming. And for each of the items in the list, we have sub bullet points that are going to give us more detail. And then finally, we get a conclusion. And let's go ahead and enter in one more custom prompt. And this one is going to be based on our current progress timeline, when do you expect this project to be completed by? I'll enter that, and then the answer starts to stream. So here we have the current project metrics, and then we have an estimated completion time. So here we have at three issues per week, then about 5.5 months. At five issues per week, we have 3.5 months. And we just have a complete breakdown of when this project could potentially be completed by. Now, I've this is a sample project that I haven't looked at recently, so that's why you're seeing an extended timeline. But this is very helpful for any project manager or anybody who wants insight into the project itself. And we have another AI feature. This AI feature helps your team fix issues faster because it's going to give your team context for the accessibility, and then it'll also help with the code, help with the remediation. So that feature is in place. This is a separate feature where anybody can get insight into their project and start really extracting the important data. So what's so important is that our platform, Accessibility Tracker, is based on an audit report. And this means we have the complete view of all the accessibility issues. Most platforms are based on scans. If you're based on scans, you have a very skewed outlook. You only know those issues that are flagged by scans, which may or may not be correct. But this is actually based on your accessibility audit report. So the data that you're looking at here is accurate data and data that you can rely on going forward. So if you're concerned with meeting a deadline, if you want to know where your team needs to focus on improving accessibility, you're going to be able to extract all of that information and so much more from this new Project Insights AI feature. So I will include a link to Accessibility Tracker in the description.